Today we're diving into this fascinating new research showing that NAD+ can actually restore memory in Alzheimer's models by correcting RNA splicing errors.
Right.
It's a real breakthrough linking metabolism to gene regulation.
Absolutely. It's pretty impressive. They're showing that boosting NAD plus levels can normalize RNA splicing mistakes via this protein called EVA1C. Isn't that something?
Exactly. And get this, the study validated this mechanism across different species, from worms and mice to humans. They used it to show that when NAD+ levels go up, EVA1C steps in to correct RNA errors, contributing to proper gene function that's critical for brain health.
That's a huge deal because, in Alzheimer's, you have these tau proteins going rogue and causing all sorts of neuronal chaos.
Right? And it's like tau is supposed to stabilize neurons, sort of like, train tracks keeping everything on track. But when tau misbehaves, everything derails. Boosting NAD+ helps put those tracks back in place by fine-tuning RNA splicing.
It really sounds like a multi-layered solution. But I'm curious, did they mention how they nailed down EVA1C's role specifically?
Yes, they did. They knocked down the EVA1C gene in mice, and suddenly the memory benefits from NAD+ supplementation vanished.
Right, that's a strong
It clearly
indicator.
shows that EVA1C is the mediator between NAD+ and the correction of these RNA splicing errors.
That's compelling evidence. And then there was this whole AI angle, isn't there? Using AI to predict protein interactions?
Exactly. They used an AI-driven platform to predict how protein structures and interactions work, especially focusing on how NAD+ influences a certain isoform of EVA1C.
Yeah.
That isoform apparently binds better with other proteins critical to protein folding and clearance.
So it sounds like NAD+ is not just mopping up errors, but also supporting overall protein homeostasis.
Precisely. This connection between metabolic homeostasis, proper RNA splicing, and protein management offers a new perspective on potential Alzheimer's therapies. It's like if you keep NAD+ levels high, you can potentially preserve neuronal health and delay cognitive decline.
I love that analogy. It's like having a full maintenance crew on standby for your brain. But I do wonder, could there be any downsides to simply upping NAD+ levels across the board?
That's a fair point. While the study shows promising effects in models, translating that to humans might require careful fine-tuning, since too much of anything can sometimes have unforeseen consequences.
Right, balance is key. It really kind of lays the groundwork for developing combination therapies, right? Not just NAD+ augmentation, but maybe pairing it with other interventions targeting RNA splicing.
Exactly. There's potential for new strategies to rejuvenate brain cells by combining metabolic support with precise genetic regulation.
Yeah.
It's an exciting frontier in neurodegenerative disease research.
So overall, this study not only advances our understanding of Alzheimer's mechanisms, but might also steer us toward new therapeutic avenues.
Absolutely, it's a promising step forward, and it definitely gives hope for better targeted interventions down the road.
I'm looking forward to seeing how these findings evolve into actual treatments.
Me too. It's a reminder that sometimes the answers may be hidden in the intricate details of our cellular machinery.
Absolutely. All right, thanks for breaking that down. This research really does give a lot to think about in the fight against Alzheimer's.